In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change oils on this 550i BMW. So as you can see here, we're going to go under the car and see the bolt is right here. Usually there's a cover right here and you just twist it off, but this one doesn't have it. Now we're just gonna use our 8mm hex. Make sure that it goes all the way in. Okay, while you screw out the bolt, making sure that you push up until you feel that the bolt is fully loose. Then you can quickly pull away from the pouring oil. See, it's loose now, so I can just let it go, and there you go. Still have my bolts on my hand. Now using this oil filter wrench, I'm gonna go ahead and screw out the oil filter. It's right here. Here I'm using a rubber mallet to slightly tap up so that the filter would fully set in. Off. We'll use a pick tool. Take this seal off. We're gonna get our new seal. Right in there. Just a little bit of oil. This side has a little filter in there, goes in first. Whereas the other side goes, it doesn't have a filter right there, so this side goes in there first. Now we're ready to put it back. So this filter came with little washer right here. We're gonna place our old one. Here's the old one. Put a new one in there, just like that. Gonna put it in there. Filter. Good. Just gonna wipe it off. Okay, now I'm gonna fill the oil. Alright guys, I know it's easier if you have a funnel, but I couldn't find my funnel. So here I'm placing a towel around and carefully pour it in. For this particular model, N63, it takes 9 liters to fill up. After you fill up, reset your engine oil, then you're done. Here's a video that shows you how to reset your maintenance oil.